Hey guys, my name is Andrea and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please make sure you do that right now. And as you can see, today we will be doing what is it?
Gingerbread house.
Louder!
Gingerbread house.
Alrighty, give me a 5. Hey, what's your name? Tell the people, what's your name?
My name is Andrea, and I'm doing my gingerbread house because welcome to my YouTube channel because
Pick it up, show them.
oopsie. I'm dead.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? My name is Alex. Today we're here about to build our gingerbread houses. I picked the chocolate, was it Chips Ahoy? Hopefully it's good. It's probably gonna get broken down.
I have a Barbie gingerbread house. It says build your own cookie dream house. Cool! That's excited. We're gonna follow the instructions. We're starting with Drew's first.
Look at Alex.
Alex opened his. Okay.
Bye.
Hold it. You gotta do this. Don't forget these are cookies, so you gotta be gentle.
Be gentle.
Yes.
Don't just eat it. Don't eat it all. That's cheating.
That's cheating.
Yeah. Don't eat this cookie all. That's cheating.
That's cheating, right?
Be gentle.
Hold on.
Ah! Why did you do that?
I didn't do that. I'm
No.
sorry.
You gotta be gentle.
Okay.
Can I do it?
Let's see. Drew.
Yes, mommy.
Let's do this. Are you excited?
Yeah. I just do this.
So it
Be-
says
Be
that.
gentle.
Okay. Can you open Drew's too?
Oh.
Okay, so this is it right here, okay? So these are the sides. Okay.
This is it.
This is the back door.
And this is the roof. And this is the gingerbread man. And this is the Christmas tree
Hold
gingerbread
on.
man. That's why. That's him.
Give me a few seconds, okay?
Okay.
Let's see how this looks. This is the side. Right?
I don't want this gingerbread on me. I don't want it to spill. Oh,
You can hold this right here. Here. Hold this one. Not hard, but just hold it. Hold this.
don't just broke it.
I'm just trying to, I'm just trying to see how it's going to look first. Okay.
Why broken the thing?
And then we bring it in like that. And let me see. Don't let it drop, okay? Babe, you think we're doing this right?
Ew!
I was in my own.
That's what I'm talking about. That's my boy right there. He likes to talk about good stuff, not bad stuff, right? Oh, the girls talk about good stuff. The girls don't talk about bad stuff. Well, yes, they do. No, we don't. Yes! No, only dogs talk about bad. Okay, focus.
Not fair!
It's not even fair.
No! Alex cheating. Come on, Drew, help me.
He just cheated.
Andrew, do it. This is yours. Squeeze. Go down. Do it like that. Alex is a cheater.
He's a cheater because he be eating stuff.
He's not helping us.
It's not helping us.
His stuff is coming together nicely. Ours is gonna come together too, okay?
We're gonna come together.
Come on, help me, Drew.
Are you supposed to do it like that?
I don't know.
What does the picture show? Literally just follow the instructions.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh my God! You're spilling this whole house. Who's looking?
Yummy.
Well, I can eat it.
Yummy.
You cheated. You just stole my. You stole
Is
my.
it supposed to be like that? Nope. Woo! Baby. Alright, Juju, hold on.
Alex is cheating.
Oh, he always cheat. He always be cheating. He even be cheating when we do play Uno and stuff.
He's not playing. Look at Alex going. It's not. He just.
Okay, let's do. Focus. You see Alex is beating us? We gotta get on top of our game, okay?
You gotta get on it. Finally, it's gonna be too much.
I hope not.
Finally, it's gonna be done. Very nice.
Woo. My hands. This one. You ready?
I'm sorry.
You ate it?
Sorry, I
Cheater!
You cheater! You cannot do it. You cheated.
Mm-hmm.
We got 2 stuff.
Juju, don't worry.
Oh, cookie. I want cheat. I want to eat that thing.
Hey, do we have to press it?
Mm-hmm.
What you mean?
Oh, this picture down.
You cheated.
Put the side on.
You cheated. Stop eating it. Not yet.
Well, you have to put one of these, babe.
First?
Yeah.
So take this out.
No. Put a front door on the house.
I don't have a front door. Oh,
Hey,
yeah,
either
right
one
here.
is a front door.
Okay.
That's
Now
the
put a
front.
side wall.
That's the front
Hold it,
window.
Juju.
That's the front window.
Hold it, Juju.
Stuff is coming together.
Stop.
This is yours. I gotta do yours first, because Juju always comes first. Don't laugh at us.
Oh
That's why yours spilled.
my
Say that.
Attic.
Okay? Give it 5. Stuff coming together.
We're gonna win.
Mhm.
I think we're gonna win. In this.
You ready?
We're gonna win this little house. We're gonna knock this gingerbread door. What? Alex is still cheating. Alex is still cheating. Look
Yeah.
at Alex.
Wow.
He's cheating.
Yeah.
Yes, me. Just probably cheating. Why you just eating?
Icing.
No, it don't taste like. It tastes like cookies. Well, I don't want no cookies. This is all cookies. We win like Alex.
Who, Alex?
No, us. Because we can't fit in there because this is too small. Gotta get this bow and top like this.
So you gotta do it. I don't have to do it. I gotta build my own now.
Put too much.
Do one right here. That's enough. Yeah, grab it.
Stuff in
Hold
there.
on.
Just dropped a little liquid on my hand. It tastes delicious. I'm using it. It's gonna cut your feet.
Now I'm about to start on my own. I had to help Juju. We tried, but now I'm about to do my own. So let's see how this goes. It looks good.
It looks.
Alex look good. Good job.
It don't even look like this. I don't sure don't even look like that.
No, it's
Look at
something
mine look
busted
like.
right here.
Yippee!
Is it working or no? You probably didn't move it around that much.
I did.
Cause stick it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Stick in my one.
It's good enough. They gave me only one side.
Looks like you only have one side. What does your picture look like?
What does this little thing happen to me? I don't want it to stick down.
It seemed like this was two.
Why you got two?
You see, it says sides.
I'm stick on.
It don't even work.
Keep going,
It
girl.
don't even work.
Push all this down there, and then put it on one of the gummies and put it right here.
But I don't know how to do this.
Just push it.
I don't know how to do it either, Julia.
Please just push it. Look at mommy. You got it?
I think got it.
So it'll be like that.
It's not even fixed.
Get your hands dirty.
Huh?
Get your hands dirty.
Is your hair starting?
This is a job where you get your hands dirty, okay?
That's right. That's your job. Please follow directions.
This ain't no pretty boy job. This is you get your hands dirty job, okay?
Oh my gosh. You broke it together and you build your own thing.
Y'all, this is tedious. You hear me? You have to have patience. But
More.
you done?
Almost.
Alex look cool. Look at his Aiden, girl. Say, Aunt Alex,
You
help
cannot
me.
say that.
Help you out with this.
Oh! That,
I don't think he's done anything since you.
He did. He put
Yeah.
he put these on there.
Whoa, that's looking pretty low.
Alright, let's see this. What you laughing at, boy? Babe, our stuff is not working.
What do you mean it's not working? I think there's supposed to be a gap right there.
You think so? It's not supposed to be no gap right there.
Yeah, look, the two roofs, and then there's that one roof right there.
Showing.
That's not what the pictures are.
I'm doing with my picture story.
Definitely ain't doing what your pictures are.
Babe, can you help me?
Baby, hold on. Let me finish mine.
Can I help you?
What is we?
You're still painting your door, boy.
Hey, why is it?
Just worried about licking your fingers.
Okay.
What?
You done?
No, I'm just trying to slow down for that.
What are you doing?
You cut.
You're the last person to be giving advice right now.
Not in your video. What do y'all think?
It's like, what y'all think? I think it looks good, dude. You're doing really good. You hear me, dude?
The bird said he likes the gingerbread house.
Oh.
The birds. The
The
fox
birds.
is gonna. The fox man is gonna eat the gingerbread house. Ah!
Those are the only people that eat it. The birds. You poking at it in the trash. He said, "What are you up?" Oh.
What's it like? I think-
Gingerbread house.
No, it don't look like that.
It doesn't look like no gingerbread house. Alex stuff look ugly.
You gotta put the lights on the top.
Tell him.
Boy, perfect. Here's our first time in my mind.
You gotta put the snow on the cookie.
You gotta use the frosting to stick stuff on, not just to lick it.
Look,
What you
because
do? Figure yours out.
That's why yours is looking so pretty and ours look like. Mm-hmm.
Got that right, boy.
No, we don't do it. Ours don't look like that.
I'm saying boo to Alex. Alex is red looks like boo got everything. I'm not a hater. I'm not even a hater. I'm not a hater. Your brother's a hater. What about my shoes?
He said you ain't on my shoes.
My us, because he said nasty.
He said your brother hates you.
Baby, give me that your tweezer right there.
I'll do them. I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna put on a
Put an A on your house. Put an A on your house.
A great artist.
You're not a great artist.
Not Alex. You.
Alex, boy. You, Alex.
Yes, I mean you
I don't. It's not even rain.
Mm-hmm.
It's not
Look like it rained on your ginger.
Stop laughing at my baby.
He talked about destroying my gingerbread house.
No, he did not.
Yes, he did.
The girl
Drew,
said I
did-
did not.
Juju, didn't you say you're gonna mess up my gingerbread house?
And you say no, I
See,
didn't.
look, he's like,
I did it.
no, why not?
I didn't do that.
Are you hating too?
Mhm. I'm not a hater. Yours is only came out nice because it was easier than ours.
It's not my fault.
Mine's is easy.
Yours is not easy.
It is.
Yours was easy, but you didn't make it look easy.
Sorry. Oh, that's a best thing. Oh my God. Mommy's playhouse. This is Mommy's play day. This is Mommy's Ryan. This is Ryan Mystery Play Day.
Mm-hmm.
That's Ryan's Mystery Play Day.
Yours look good. Did you drew a bird
A bird?
in the front?
No. It was supposed to be squares.
Square.
Are you trying to cover it in, Ginger, or are you trying to put something in?
She said, "What you think, guys?" You hear me? Let me see.
Mommy,
What you laughing at?
Mommy, Mommy, look at this. Mommy,
What you laughing at?
Try to look at Drew's and the picture he's looking at because he looks like he's tracing it.
Good job, dude.
Come on, stick it on there. There you go.
So why is it that we end up me? You're so cool though. Dude, yours came out so nice.
You don't want to do mine?
Yours is ugly.
Yours is so ugly.
Well, I hope you find the front door to yours.
I
Under
got
all that snow.
See, I do have one right here. Look at it.
Emergency exit.
gingerbread.
See, I'm so laughing about stuff.
I got a gingerbread over here.
Good job.
I'm talented.
Mm-hmm.
Talented.
Yes, you are.
Is that what he's saying? He's talented.
Mm-hmm. That's my boy.